Visualizing data with charts and graphs. Excel 2024 certification tips. In today's data-driven world, the ability to effectively visualize and analyze data is a crucial skill for professionals in any industry. Excel, with its powerful charting and graphing features, is a popular tool for creating visual representations of data. Excel charts and graphs. From simple bar charts and line graphs to more complex pie charts and scatter plots, Excel offers a range of options for displaying data in a clear and informative way. Data visualization techniques. When creating charts and graphs in Excel, it's important to consider the best practices for data visualization. This includes choosing the right colors, fonts, and labels to make your charts easy to read and understand. Excel certification tips. Excel certification exams typically test your knowledge of chart creation, graph design, data analysis, and formula use. Excel data analysis skills. To excel in this aspect of the exam, you should be familiar with common data analysis techniques such as sorting, filtering, and pivot tables. Excel chart design. Choosing the right chart type and formatting options can make a big difference in how effectively your message is communicated. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering the art of visualizing data with charts and graphs in Excel is a valuable skill for anyone looking to excel in data analysis and presentation.